Welcome to Filbeach Farmhouse at Marloes in Pembrokeshire. Built over 500 years ago, it's now a wreck, and it's been crumbling away for decades. The owners, Peter and Gina Smithies, plan to bring the farmhouse back to life as a home.
It's a daunting prospect, quite a challenge we're taking on.
You wouldn't think of being a farmhouse, would you? 40 years ago, now, a bit of a wreck. Right?
Now our aim, our responsibility is to recreate that family home, that comfortable country house.
In the 1980s, Filbeach featured in a book on the lost houses of Wales. Experts say it's a gem of a building.
When this building was built, it was a building of extremely high status, although to us today it looks like quite a small building. Most people in the time this was built were just living in mud cottages or clom cottages, as we call them locally. So for this building, which was built out of stone, had a large conical chimney, a large fireplace, it really was a building of very high status.
The farmhouse is slap bang in the middle of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. So, it was the park authority planner's job to make sure the owners restored the building sympathetically. And that involved hours of negotiation and advice from the planners before the application even went in.
Trying to conserve a building like this, you have to start the consultation process at a very early stage. And we're very pleased in this case that the owners were happy to do so. As you can imagine, with such a building that's been redundant for so many years, it was a complex process getting where we are today, involving several cups of tea and much haggling, but we're absolutely delighted we've got where we are today.
Building projects like Filbeach that are proposed in accordance with the policies of the adopted development plan are nearly always recommended for approval, and almost 90% of all planning applications get the go-ahead. Next time, the builders arrive. What horrors will they uncover as they hack the dense mat of ivy off the walls and roof?